Hello students, now we will start standard 7th subject maths practice set 23. Question: write three rational numbers that lies between the two given numbers. That means 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. Here the denominator is same. So that means as you know we have already studied the number line. In right hand side the positive number is there, and in right hand side minus is there. Sorry, in left hand side the minus sign is there. In between the origin is there, as you know. So in this the denominator is same. So 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 7 upon 7. In this now 2 upon 7 is here and 6 upon 7 here. So in between you have to take the three rational numbers, as here they have given you. Write the three rational numbers. So in this we already get the three rational number. So what we will write here, the three rational numbers between 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7 are 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. You just have to do this much. Now see the second one, 4 upon 5, 2 upon 3. Now in this students denominator is different. So first we will make the denominator equal. For making denominator equal, what we do? We will do the cross multiplication, as you know. So 4 multiplied by 3. What we do in this? We interchange the denominator, students. Like this 3 I will give to 5. So 5 threes are and 4 threes are. Same way this 3 I will give 5. 3 fives are and 2 fives are. You just have to interchange the denominator to become an equal denominator. So 4 threes are 12 and 5 threes are 15. 2 fives are 10 and 3 fives are 15. That means the denominator is equal now. But 12 and 10. So just imagine students, here I am drawing the number line. From 0 we are starting, like 1 2 3, right? So up to 10 I am taking 10 upon 15, 11 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Now in this only one rational number is there, so you can't take this. So what you will do? You will multiplying numerator and denominator by 2. You can multiply with any table, but here I am multiplying with 2. So both 12 twos are and 15 twos are, 10 twos are and 15 twos are. So 12 twos are 24, 15 twos are 30, 10 twos are 20, 15 twos are 30. Now we will see the rational this number line. See here I am drawing the number line here, students. Like in between the origin is there. Suppose the 1 2 3 we will take from 20 upon 30, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30, 23 upon 30 and 24 upon 30. So this and this. So in between 3 we get. Okay students. So the three rational numbers between 20 upon 30 and 24 upon 30 are 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. So in this way you have to solve it. Now see here the difference is minus is there. So minus 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. No matter. First of all, again we will interchange the denominator for making the denominator equal. So here I am giving this 5 with 3 and this 3 with 5. Here I have done it. So this will get minus 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Now here let's check, students. This is the rough work. You can see, or otherwise you can count also, students. No need to write it. So this 111 I am not writing it. Directly I am writing here. Like suppose I am taking from 5 15 and here also from 5 15 minus 15. Okay, minus 5. So minus plus 5, 6 upon 15, 7 upon 15, 8 upon 15, 9 upon 15, 10 upon 15, 11 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Okay, here also I am extending, like minus 6 upon 15, minus 7 upon 15, minus 8 upon 15, minus 9 upon 15, and minus 10 upon 15. So this minus 10 come first, so minus 10 and then minus 12. So in between the many rational number is there, students, so you can choose any three rational numbers. Okay, so see here I have choose only 3, you can choose any 3. The integers between minus 10 and 15, minus 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15 are, you can take minus 9 upon 15 or minus 7 upon 15 and 11 upon 15 I have taken. You can take any 3 rational number. Now here the fourth one, 7 upon 9 minus 5 upon 9. Again we will see the integers between minus 5 upon 9 and 7 upon 9 are in between minus 4, minus 5. So minus 4 upon 9, minus 2 upon 9 and 6 upon 9 I have taken, because many rational number is coming in between. So you can take any 3 rational numbers. Now next, that is the fifth one. The same way you will do the fifth one also, as I have written here. See the fourth one. In this we will interchange the denominator and we will do the same process in this way. Now seventh one also, here the denominator is already equal, so directly you will write the 3 rational numbers between minus 5 upon 7 and 11 upon 7 are minus 6 upon 7, 8 upon 7 and 10 upon 7. You can take any 3 rational numbers. Now see the eighth one, the last sum of this problem set. 0 minus 3 upon 4. Now 0 is there, so you will write denominator 1 and minus 3 upon 4. Now here we have to change the denominator first, so we will interchange the denominator. Like this one I will give the 4 and for this 4 I will give the 1. Here I have done it. So 0 4 is 0 and 1 4 is 4, minus 3 1 is minus 3 and 4 1 is 4. So what you will do now the denominator is same, the multiplying the but here 0 and minus 3, only the 1 or 2 rational numbers come, so you can't write that. So rational numbers we will extend it, multiplying numerator and denominator by 2. So here I am multiplying 0 multiplied by 4 and 4 multiplied by 2, minus 3 multiplied by 2 and this 4 multiplied by 2. So my 3 4s are 6 minus 6 and 2 4s are 8 and 0 upon 8. Now the integers between minus 6, first minus is come because in left hand side minus is there na first, that's why. Minus 6 upon 8 and 0 upon 8 are any 3 number we will take, students. So here I have taken minus 5 upon 8, minus 3 upon 8 and minus 1 upon 8. So here we complete this practice set 23. Thank you, students.